Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is basbousa, which is one of the most delicious and popular Middle Eastern sweet cake or semolina cake. This dessert requires very few ingredients and can be easily prepared without oven as well. Come on, let's begin with the recipe. The ingredients include semolina, milk, oil, sugar, desiccated coconut, baking powder, vanilla essence, lemon, almonds and pistachios for toppings. Take a mixing bowl, add 250 grams of semolina, 100 ml of oil, and mix it well. Add 100 grams of powdered sugar and give it a good mix. Add half a cup of desiccated coconut. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Finally, add milk little by little and stir well until it reaches the consistency of the batter. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll take a vessel for baking and preheat it by adding a layer of crystal salt. Let us grease the mold now with ghee or butter. I'm using this glass mold as it is heat resistant or oven safe. You can use ordinary cake mold or any steel mold which is available at home. Brush the surfaces evenly with ghee or butter and sprinkle some semolina on all the sides of the mold. Now pour in the mixture. The consistency should be of this type. And then level it up. It's ready to go for baking. Now top it with almonds. You can peel the almonds by soaking it in hot water for 5 minutes. Let us place a stand and keep the mold safely inside the vessel. Cover it. Let it bake under low heat for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare a sugar syrup. I have taken a saucepan, added 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Let it boil. Squeeze in juice of half a lemon. You can also use orange blossom water or rose water to add fragrance. Once the sugar melts, you can switch it off. It is half cooked now, and let us add some pistachios and make some slits so that the sugar syrup will penetrate deep into the cake. Cover and bake it for 20 minutes more under medium to low heat. And when it's done, let it rest for 10 more minutes. Let's pour in the hot syrup while the cake is still hot. Let it cool down completely so that it absorbs and softens well. Finally, top it with your choice of dry fruits. I have used sliced almonds and crushed pistachios. That's it, the basbousa is ready. The perfectly baked, rich Middle Eastern dessert recipe is waiting to be relished. It is so mouth-watering, moist and soft deep down and just melts as we eat it. Hope you all enjoyed watching it. Do try it, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy until I see you all with another recipe. Bye bye.